Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can activate the pairing mode on your Harman Kardon Fly ANC headphones. So as you can see, my headphones are turned on and we can find it right here when the indicator is activate. And to activate the pairing mode, you have to just click once on this Bluetooth button, on this one. So click on it once and you will find that this indicator is blinking blue. So right now, when I go to the pair new device, take a look. Oh, I just misclick for the previously connection. So let's do this one more time. Let's click on the Bluetooth button once, then go to the pair new device and select your Harman Kardon Fly ANC from the list, and will be successfully connected after a few moments after accepting the pairing. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.